Hi guys, this is Chuck, and in this course, you are going to learn the basic elements of prompt engineering that will enable you to get the best out of AI specifically for writing content for your business. So you will say goodbye to the pain of having no personal assistant to help you with your content creation. I will cover easy to learn tricks and hacks like few shot prompting and zero shot prompting that you'll be an expert in immediately without any prompt engineering background or whatsoever. The AI tool we are going to use for this course is ChatGPT, and if you watch till the end, you will get a PDF guide that shares additional tips. For those of you who are new to the term, prompt engineering is all about creating and refining prompts. These prompts are then used in AI tools to get specific outputs. For example, in a text-to-text AI tool like ChatGPT, both the input and output are text. In a text-to-image or text-to-video AI tool like Runway ML, the input is text, but the output is a specific video or image. Let's dive into some practical examples. First, we'll start with a simple text-to-text prompt using ChatGPT to show you how you can generate text responses. Then, we will switch gears and use Runway ML for a text-to-image prompt, creating a visual from a text description. Finally, we will explore a text-to-video prompt with Runway ML to generate a video from a text prompt. So, let's get right into it. Okay, so let's generate a text response using ChatGPT, and the prompt we are going to ask ChatGPT is, what is the largest dog breed? Let's hit enter and see the text response we are going to get. Okay, so here it is. It says the largest dog breed by height is the Great Dane, which is true. So this is what an interaction with ChatGPT looks like. This is the prompt that we asked it, a text-based prompt, and this is the output we got, a text-based output, right? So let's use Runway ML to generate an image through text and a video through text. So this is what the Runway website looks like. You can just create an account, sign in, it's free. I'll put the link to the website in the description below. So when you have completed the sign up process, this is what the dashboard of Runway ML should look like. But we are not going to waste time to explain everything. All we want is to generate our image through text. So you'll just click on where it's written text to image. Right, so this is where it takes us. As you can see, there's a bunch of images here which are examples. So let's generate our image with a prompt. The image that we want to generate is, let's say, a tiny dog in a glass jar. Let's hit generate and see the image that we get. So as you can see, the AI tool gave us 4 variations of our prompt, which was a tiny dog in a glass jar. And so by the looks of it, they are pretty good. So I'll just pick this one since it is the one that I think looks much better. And there we have it. This is what you call a text to image generation. Our prompt was a text, our response is an image. So let's now generate our video. To generate our video from text, you simply click on this first tool over here that is written text/image to video. Click on it and it will take you here. So the example that we are going to use to generate our video from text is an elderly woman surfing at the beach. So when you're done, click on generate. Let's now wait for this AI tool to give us our video, right? So this is the response that we got from the AI tool from our initial prompt, which is an elderly woman surfing at the beach. So let's check it out. Not bad, although the prompt could use further adjustments, but I trust that you get the picture. So this is generally what text to video gives you. With this skill, you can create amazing tools that make content creation a breeze. I mean, imagine having an AI assistant that helps you write, research, plan, and come up with new ideas. This of course means less burnout and more time to focus on what you love. Plus, it helps your business grow naturally without breaking the bank or causing mental strain. You'll be more efficient, more creative, and more relaxed. Let's break down on what makes a good prompt for beginners. There are three main things to remember: clarity, specificity, and context. Clarity meaning make sure your prompt is clear and concise. For example, instead of saying "I'm feeling sick, give me ways to cure my sickness," be more specific and say "I suffer from fatigue. List 10 scientifically proven ways to treat my condition." This way, the AI knows exactly what you need. Number 2, specificity, meaning be specific with your prompts. For example, if you want to learn Spanish, don't just ask "what's the best way to learn Spanish?" Instead, say "I'm visiting Mexico for 6 months. I struggle with pronunciation because my native language is French. What's the best way for me to learn Spanish?" This gives the AI more details to work with. Number 3, context, meaning provide enough context for the AI to understand your situation. Instead of saying "I want to open a baking business, can you help me?" you should add more details. For example, you could say "I want to open an online baking business on TikTok. I don't feel comfortable showing my face, but I love creating short form videos of the baking process. How can I start?" Now, this helps the AI give you better advice. So, let's do a live demonstration of creating and refining prompts for better results. A prompt example that is clear and specific looks like this. Write a social media post announcing the launch of a new product for a small business that makes handmade soaps. So let's run this prompt. Right, so this is the response that we got from the language model. This is the initial prompt highlighted in blue, and as I scroll down it says, "Exciting news, we are thrilled to announce the launch of our latest creation at your business name, handmade luxurious soaps." Now, including these elements helps the AI know what to focus on, resulting in a well-crafted post that highlights the unique aspects of handmade soaps. Let's now be specific in our prompts, and we'll say that we want to announce our upcoming webinar on TikTok. So the prompt looks like this. Write a 150-word TikTok post announcing our upcoming webinar on effective time management for freelancers. Mention the date, time, and key topics like prioritization, scheduling, and productivity tips. Include a call to action inviting followers to sign up via the link in our bio. So that is the prompt. So let's hit enter and see our results. Right, so this is the output that ChatGPT gave us, and this is our specific prompt that we gave ChatGPT. So let's check if ChatGPT gave us the right output. Remember, we wanted a 150-word TikTok post announcing our upcoming webinar on effective time management for freelancers. So what does it say? It says, "Ready to take control of your time? Join us for an exclusive webinar on effective time management for freelancers. Mark your calendars on July the 25th at 3 p.m. Right? And then it says, "We'll cover essential topics like prioritization, scheduling, productivity tips." Then it says, "Don't miss the opportunity to enhance your freelancing game and achieve your goals more efficiently." And then at the bottom we have hashtags, time management, freelancer tips, webinar, and productivity tips. Right? So this is something that you can work with, especially if you want something that is quick, easy, something that you can build from and use as inspiration. Right, so let's move over to the next one. Let me show you an example of what a prompt that includes context looks like. Let's say we want to write a blog post about how to stay productive while working from home. So a prompt for that would look like this, and we will start with giving the language model some context. So the context reads, "You are a content writer tasked with creating a blog post that helps readers stay productive while working from home. You need to provide practical tips and engaging examples and maintain a friendly tone throughout the article." Now, the actual prompt must be below the context that we have given the language model, which reads, "Write a friendly and informative blog post titled How to Stay Productive While Working from Home. Include the following points. Number 1, create a dedicated workspace. Number 2, establish a routine. Number 3, take regular breaks. Number 4, limit distractions. Number 5, use productivity tools. And then it continues and says, start with an engaging introduction that highlights the challenges of working from home and the importance of staying productive. For each point, provide practical advice and real-world examples. Conclude with a motivating message to encourage readers to implement these tips. Right, so let's run this prompt and see the type of output we get. Right, so we can see that including context in a prompt brings multiple benefits. Firstly, it ensures clarity by making the prompt more clear and specific, guiding the language model on what exactly to generate. So this leads to more engaging content, as context gives the language model the necessary background to craft compelling responses. Let's now talk about the two main types of prompts you should learn as a beginner: zero-shot prompting and few-shot prompting. These techniques will help you get better results when combined with the 3 elements that make up a good prompt that I covered, which are clarity, specificity, and context. Okay, first up, we'll talk about zero-shot prompting. Now, zero-shot prompting means giving an instruction or asking a question without providing an example. Think of it like asking a general question that doesn't need specific context. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, what does it take to grow a business? Or who is the founder of Microsoft? Or what is a content creator? Or how do you cook pasta? Now, this method is quick and straightforward, perfect for getting broad answers. Next, let's look at few-shot prompting. Now, this is when you include an example in your prompt to make it more specific and improve the quality of the response. Your prompt could be a question, statement, or an instruction. For example, instead of asking, how can I improve my writing skills? You could say, I've been writing short stories for a few months, but I struggle with character development. Can you give me some tips on how to improve this aspect of my writing? Do you see how adding examples makes it more specific? This technique helps in getting tailored, detailed responses that fit your exact needs. So to clarify, remember what I said. Zero-shot prompting means no example, and few-shot prompting means example included. Now let's do a live demonstration where I'll show you how to create both types of prompts and explain their practical use cases in content creation. This will make it easier to see how these techniques directly apply to you. We'll start with zero-shot prompting. Let's say we want to create a LinkedIn post announcing our new ebook on digital marketing strategies, and we want the language model to help us. So the prompt we are going to give the language model looks like this. Write a 100-word LinkedIn post announcing our new ebook on digital marketing strategies for small businesses. Mention the key benefits and include a call to action to download it for free from our website. Right, so let's hit enter and wait for our output. So overall, the output is not bad, but just like everything else, you can use something like this as inspiration to start your own thing. Right, so let's cover the next example. Another zero-shot prompt example will be for an email campaign. So the prompt reads, write a 200-word email to our subscribers announcing our summer sale with discounts up to 50% on selected items. Mention the sale duration, highlight popular products, and include a link to shop now. So let's hit enter. Alright, so here is our output. Let's confirm whether or not it is correct. So we can see that, okay, it gives us a short paragraph which reads, we are thrilled to announce our spectacular summer sale where you can enjoy discounts up to 50% on selected items. And then here is our sales duration. Here is our highlights for our summer sale, which has top rated products, exclusive collections, new arrivals, and then we scroll down. It says don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to save on your big favorite items. And then we have the link, and then we have the thank you paragraph, and then we have the PS. So this is generally what zero-shot prompting gives you. It allows for quick and effective generation without needing to provide any extensive examples. Right, so let's go through some of the few-shot prompting examples. For the first example, we will say we want the language model to help us write a product description for our new water bottle, and we want our description to have a certain style and tone. So a prompt of that kind looks like this. Write a product description for a new eco-friendly water bottle. Use the following examples for style and tone, right? This is now the few shot prompt. So the first example we are going to give the language model for this few shot prompt is this. Number 1, this stylish water bottle is made from high quality stainless steel and keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours. Example number 2, our latest travel mug is perfect for hot beverages, featuring a leak-proof lid and easy to grip handle. So let me read a few sentences here to confirm whether or not it is good. It says, with its sleek design, durable construction, the EcoFlow water bottle is ideal for any adventure, whether you're hitting the gym, going for a hike, or simply running errands. This spill-proof lid ensures no leaks, while the no easy grip body offers a comfortable hold, making hydration effortless and stylish, right? So we can see that the tone is much better. We can see that the language model took our examples over here into consideration. So you have to make sure that you include maybe 1 or 2 examples in your few shot prompt to give you very good results. But even if you get a good result, always make sure you proofread it, always make sure you check the facts. Thank you so much for watching this course, and for those of you who have watched till the end and want the PDF guide, write the word prompt in the description below and I'll send you the link to download it. It's free and no email is required. Take care.